It's been a while since I've done a good clean on the Polo GTI, so that is exactly what I'm going to do in this video. You'll see by some of these shots prior to me cleaning it, it's not looking in great condition. So by the end of the video, you'll see interior and exterior should look a million times better. Let's dive right in.
I'll start off with the snow foam, which is a pre-wash that helps to remove dirt and grime from the vehicle's paint surface. Next, I'll move on to the wheels, so doing inside the actual mag, making sure to get all of that brake dust, gunk out of there. I'll then use a cloth for like the surface of the spokes, as well as a brush for the actual wheel itself, making sure we get it as clean as possible. Here's a look at that snow foam in action, so you can see it starts to pull out any sort of gunk, dust, little particles on the top surface. We'll go ahead and rinse that now. Once rinsed, I'll just go in with the sponge as well as some car shampoo and wash the entire car. I'll rinse that off one more time and then we'll go ahead and dry it. Then just moving on to making sure that those tires are shining with the tire shine, as well as just wiping the mag one more time. In the interior, I use this disinfectant spray just to wipe all of the surfaces. I'll obviously dust, vacuum, try get all the screens, surfaces as clean as possible. And here's a look at the final product. Let me know your thoughts.